Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on surface integral, and it will involve the first method we have discussed. Evaluate surface integral of the vector field f given as 3x square I cap minus 2yx j cap plus 8 k cap over the surface which is given as z equal to 2x minus y over the rectangle 0 to 0 2 in xy plane, right? So in this question they have given the vector field, obviously they have given the surface. So this is the other method we were discussing about, where the surface is given, and they have also given a region over which you have to find the surface integral. So first thing first, we'll have to let's write the formula. The formula says, either you can write it directly also, but let's see. It says f1 or write it this way, f dot minus df by dx as I component minus df by dy as j component and plus k component dx dy. So we had to find now this integration is for the projection. I'm writing it as r. Now they have already mentioned the projection region, that is 0 2 to 0 2. So x will be from 0 to 2 and y will be from 0 to 2. This means it is a rectangular area, rectangular region, right? 0 to 2 comma 0, 2 comma 2 and 0 comma 2. So this is the region they are talking about, and we have the surface z equal to 2x minus y above this, right? This is on the xy plane. So just imagine like you are holding a paper. Let's say you are holding a paper at some height from the floor, or from at some height from your table, and you can, if you are looking from the top side, you can see that it will have a projection on the plane or on the surface below, right? So that plane or surface below that paper will be having a region like this. Is the region here as a rectangle from 0 to and 0 to. You getting this? So the surface z equal to 2x minus y is in the third plane. So in this case this will be, of course we can also see for we know this, if we have a rectangle or if we have a square or cube or cuboid, the variables are independent of each other, and we can see the limits for this is going to be 0 to 2 for x and 0 to 2 for y. So f, which is 3x square I cap minus 2y x, it is minus 2y x j cap and 8 k cap. Now this is our z, which is nothing but the function of x and y. So we can see that df by dx in this case will be 2 and df by dy will be minus 1, right? So we can directly put it here. We can write 2i minus 2i, sorry, and minus of minus, so this is plus j plus k dx dy. We are just putting the values of df by dx, dy by dy, and k is already there, right? So this will be the dot product. We'll have to do the dot product now, and this dot product will give 2 into 3x square, which is 6 minus 6x square. Y dot products will be minus of 2y x, and dot product of k component will be simply 8, right? So this has to be integrated in dx dy. The limits are 0, 2 and 0, 2. Somewhere we can see that we don't have any z component in this function. If in case we have z component, we will put z as 2x minus y in this case, right? So this integration in terms of, we can start in terms of x. So this will become minus 2x cube, and then minus 2yx will give you minus yx square plus 8x with the limits 0 to 2, and then integration with respect to dy for 0 to 2. Putting 0 and 2 in this function, we'll get it to be minus 4y. So integration with respect to y from 0 to 2 will give minus 2y square 0 to 2, which is simply minus 8. So that will be the answer for this case. So this is the surface integral of the surface z equal to 2x minus y, which had the projection area r as 0, 2 into 0, 2, right?